Hello everybody. Okay, today we are going to learn about how a business record its business transactions in the journal and then post it to the ledger accounts. Okay, but before I continue with that, let me just recap what you have learned so far. Okay, let's take a look at this. A business engages in multiple business transactions every day. The accounting information system, okay, this is the accounting information system. It is used to record the transactions of a business, summarizes them, and reports these transactions in the financial reports. So this is where our stakeholders, remember, the internal and the stakeholders, for example, the investors, the employees, okay, and so on, they will be interested to know the reports, the financial reports of the business. Okay, the accounting information comprises of these following parts. Okay, the business will receive the source documents, which will then be recorded in the journals, and it will move on until, okay, the final reports are prepared. So let me just take you through here. All business transactions are first recorded in the journals. Okay, once the business does a transaction, they will receive a source document. This source document is a proof or evidence that the transaction has taken place. For example, the business buys something from NTUC, they will get a receipt. So that receipt is a source document. Okay, a journal is like a diary. It records all the business transactions that happened during the day, the week, and so on. There are many different types of journals, but for today's lesson, we will focus only on the general journal. Once the transactions are recorded in the journals, it will be posted to the ledgers. Okay, this ledger, the ledger the ledger account is the basic unit to record all the business transactions. A business can have many ledger accounts. Okay, now what is the format of a ledger account? If you look at your textbook page 43, you will see two types of format. Okay, so here you can see the columnar format. So this format is the one that we are going to adopt. Okay, the format will have the date column, particulars, just as the name suggests. It is in a column form. You have the debit column, the credit column, and the balance column. Okay, the T format is in a T form. Okay, you have the debit on one side and the credit on one side. But this format, we will not adopt it for the purpose of this lesson, but I need you to be familiar to this. Okay, you just know how it looks like. Okay, what we want to look at and focus on today is how to post the transactions into this ledger. Okay, this ledger account.